You take him, that's a tree.
Izzy, come on. Let's take Bridie running.
Taking Bridie running.
Watch it, Bride. Get on it.
Oh, she got you. She's gonna get you. Watch it now, Ez. Go around it.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's take Bridie. Come on.
That's the tree. What is it?
Tree, Dada.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Oh, Bridie. Come on, Ez.
Esme, come on.
This way. Come on, this way. Quick.
Oh, bring it
Don't grab that.
So you can...
Yeah, don't. If she grabs that thing, it'll burn her.
Bring up after Bridie.
Should she just go? Yeah, she's pulling the thing. No, no, Ez. Oh! Yeah. Uh-oh. She's not able to. You're falling because of the shoes.
It's very bumpy ground though.
Hey, you. Take it easy, Bridie. Someone's going to be taking a nap this afternoon. Uh-oh. Bridie. There you go. There you got it.
Now, so come on, Bridie.
Come on, Bridie. Oh, you fell again.
It's very bumpy around here, isn't it?
Wait till you get to the hill. You'll be falling all over the place. Well, don't fall.
There's a big hole.
Oh, poor Izzy. His mama.